Bitget Launchpad is finally back. Now Bitget is partnering with T2T2 platform and there will be a boom launchpad again soon in Bitget, so register now as this will be an easy money-making method for everyone on crypto space. Buckle up and let's go. T2T2 is a comprehensive Web3 social platform deployed on Ethereum and Base chain, focusing on innovative on-chain social interactions. It aims to provide socializing services in one stop for all users in the Web3 space. T2T2 allows users, project teams, and KOLs to easily engage and socialize to maximize their personal economic value. Which looking like the Facebook of Web3. So are you curious on what the details of the event looks like? Let's jump in. The event will be running from October 27th until November 7th, so make sure you mark the date and also commit your BGB on November 6th. So how do you participate? Here is how. Sign up for a Bitget account or login. Deposit USDT and buy BGB token before calculation and holding moment started. Hold through the snapshot period. After that you will be getting a finalized allocation, then commit your BGB. Then you will get your T2T2 distributed. Users are also free to form teams during the promotion period. A valid team should have at least 3 members, and the members must complete identity verification and hold at least 50 BGB to be eligible. Existing users can only start teams, while new users can either join a team or start a new team. More details you can check on Bitget's website. The Bitget Launchpad is a cannot miss as historically they are performing good. So let's jump in and be part of it. So that is all for today's video. Make sure if you like this kind of content and information, give it a thumbs and subscribe for more.